In 1949, the streets of Kobe, Japan, were lined with rubble and filled with traumatized youth left adrift after the Second World War. Kihachiro Sakaguchi, a returning soldier, made a quiet promise. He legally changed his last name to Onitsuka to honor the parents of a close friend who had died in combat. Looking at the disillusioned teenagers in his city, he concluded that rebuilding Japan required rebuilding their physical discipline and pride. With absolutely zero experience in cobbling or manufacturing, he founded a sports shoe company. Onitsuka Company launched as a social mission to save a lost generation. He chose to start his engineering process with the most complex athletic footwear available at the time, the basketball shoe. Funding was tight, requiring him to sleep on train station benches while traveling across the country to pitch his early prototypes to high school coaches. When a local team finally tested his first model, the player slipped dangerously across the hardwood floor. The design was a complete failure. If he could not solve the physics of court grip, his company would go bankrupt and his effort to help the youth would end immediately. Engineering requires structural breakthroughs, regardless of an inventor's willpower or intentions. Exhausted after another day of failed tests, Onitsuka sat down to dinner. His mother served a salad topped with a single textured octopus tentacle. He noticed the biological suction cups lining the arm and realized their mechanical function could be reverse engineered to grip a wooden basketball court. This diagram demonstrates the physics of those suction cups, translated into the sole of his 1951 suction cup basketball shoe. The local high school team wore them and immediately won the championship. He then turned his attention to marathon runners, who routinely suffered debilitating foot blisters caused by heat friction over long distances. He looked at the air-cooled engines of motorcycles, noting their cooling fins. He applied that intake-exhaust principle to create the vented Magic Runner shoe, which actively pumped heat out of the fabric with every step. Onitsuka's success came from biomimicry, the practice of copying designs from nature, and observing unrelated mechanical systems to solve athletic pain points. By the 1960s, the company achieved global athletic dominance, marked by the iconic crossed tiger stripes introduced on the Mexico 66 shoe. This success attracted an American named Phil Knight, who flew to Japan and struck a deal to distribute Onitsuka Tiger shoes in the United States. The partnership eventually deteriorated over supply issues. Knight left to launch his own brand using a waffle iron sole design, calling the new company Nike. Onitsuka attempted to buy out Nike early on, but the offer was refused. He realized he had accidentally armed his most agile rival. Refusing to fold, he merged 3 separate sports equipment companies in 1977. He named the new entity ASICS, an acronym for the Latin phrase Anima Sana in Corpore Sano, which translates to a sound mind in a sound body. The creation of ASICS was a deliberate counterattack. The company doubled down on sports science and R&D to outlast the American marketing machine. Today, ASICS is a global corporation with a market value approaching $20 billion, providing gear for top-tier athletes and Olympic committees worldwide. Right before taking this enterprise public, Onitsuka made a choice that separated his personal wealth from the company's future. This visualization illustrates his unprecedented move. He gave away 70% of his personal shares directly to his employees. He held a strict belief that a corporation belongs to society as a whole, rather than to a single wealthy founder. He prevented his own children from taking executive roles, ensuring the company would remain separated from his personal ego and any potential family dynasty. Onitsuka built this enterprise to heal the trauma of a broken nation. This selfless purpose provided the blueprint for a multi-billion-dollar empire that outlived its creator.